the river, and they're being followed by Rain Man, Eager to Know, Brown Paddy, All the Dollars, and then a Mountain Rebel. So they go out of view. When they reappear, they'll have just over half a mile to cover, and still the long run to the second last. And that's Tomo for the O'Keefe team and Doneraile in the lead. So Tomo holds the call, still by 2 lengths from Pull the Cord. Eager to Know moving round the outside into a share of third with On Albert's Head, who sticks to the inside. And then in fifth, improving, is Rob James aboard Brown Paddy. He in turn has been followed in sixth position as they turn for home by Rain Man. But with 2 to jump, they're about to level up now through the next gap to the second last fence, and Tomo is being taken on now by on the outside Pull the Cord, back in third position then trying to improve his Brown Paddy. 1 pace in fourth then at the moment as they go down towards this next fence is the early leader Tomo, who's lost his position, but as they get away from the second last, Pull the Cord has kicked on now by 3. Tomo comes through into second, Brown Paddy's in third, and they're going away from Tomo the rest of weekend, including On Albert's Head. But Paul Power at the final fence and Pull the Cord gets over by a length. Rain Man is coming home strongly at him, and Rain Man picks up impressively in the last 100 yards, and Rain Man gets up for Liam Kenny and Jamie Cott to win the opener. Winning debut for Rain Man, picked up Pull the Cord, who had every chance having led over the last. They pulled right away from Brown Paddy, who was third. In turn, he was clear from Tomo, and the last of 5 completing was in the pink silks there, Eager to Know.